In this video, I will show you a method that I've been using for 2 years now to send emails, personalized emails to tons of people in just one click and for free. And it's actually using the mail merge method of Google Workspace. So you first need to go to this link. I will link it below and go here and click on make a copy. And here we have our template. I will add more rows and I will change the name to mail merge. This is a template provided by Google Workspace, but we will change it. Just make sure that you do not change the recipient and the email sent. These are the only things that you can't change in this template. Okay, and I've also prepared my email draft. I asked ChatGPT actually to prepare an email for me. Here, always make sure that the thing that you want to change is between brackets. You see, we need to have 2 here and 2 here, otherwise it wouldn't work. I will change this, so we have name, I'll just write it here, then we have company name here. I have first name, okay. I'm gonna paste everything, post, then complement, then we have offer, then I will add another column, example, okay, let's just make it like that. Let me delete this, and now for the name, it's the company name, so let's go for XYZ. First name of the person, let's go for Sarah. Okay, now I've added all the details I need and I will write my email. Here, keep in mind that you can add as many emails as you want, but I usually try to send maximum 50 emails per day or per action so I don't get into spam. But in this case, I will just write my email to show you how to do it. So now you just need to go to mail merge, send emails. If you're using it for the first time, you need to give it permission. And for our case, we already did that, so I'm just gonna copy this, paste it, and wait. The more emails you have, the more time you will wait. So you see here, when you have this, it means your email was sent. So let's check our inbox. So yeah, here's the email. Everything has changed. As I said, this is an email generated by ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.